In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create better Instagram content in Canva. We'll keep this simple, practical, and focused so you can design high-quality posts, stories, and reels with confidence. Start by opening Canva on your browser or app. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram post. You'll see a huge gallery of professionally designed templates. This is the fastest way to achieve a polished, on-brand look without starting from scratch. If you are creating a story or reel, you can search for those formats too, so your canvas matches the correct dimensions. Browse by style or theme and pick a template that aligns with your message and audience. Remember, the template is a starting point. You'll customize it to make it yours. Next, brand it. Click into any text to change the wording, then experiment with fonts to match your tone. Bold and clean for announcements, or softer and elegant for lifestyle content. Adjust colors to reflect your brand palette, and upload your logo to anchor the design. Consistency is key here. Keep headings, body text, and accent elements aligned with your brand so your feed feels cohesive. Small touches like consistent margins and spacing make a big difference in perceived quality and professionalism. Now, enhance your design with visual elements. Canva's library is packed with stock photos, short video clips, animated stickers, and vector graphics. Use the search filters to find images with the right mood, and aim for visuals that complement your message rather than distract from it. Stick to a consistent illustration or photography style across your carousel or series, so everything feels unified. Layer shapes or frames to create depth, and use overlays or transparency to keep text legible over busy backgrounds. To add movement, turn static designs into attention-grabbing stories or reels with animations. Select page animations for overall motion, or animate individual elements for subtle emphasis. Think a gentle fade for text or a slide in for key graphics. Keep motion purposeful and not too fast. You want viewers to read comfortably and absorb your message. Preview the timing to ensure each scene holds long enough, and keep transitions smooth for a professional finish. Animated designs will export as video automatically when you download. Finally, optimize your export. For static posts, download as PNG to preserve crisp details, especially for text and line work, and reduce the chance of blurriness after Instagram compression. Double-check your design at 100% zoom before exporting to catch any tiny issues. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.